Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will look at problem 56 from Leetcode. So as you can see, this problem is very popular among companies for interview questions, so I think we all should try this problem before we look at my solution together. So this problem does not mention that our input array is sorted, so we apply .sort function onto intervals, and then we can see how we can solve this problem. So in my case, I initialize result array, like empty array, and then we will be returning this. And then my plan is we will have a while loop, and then we run while loop until our index will be equal to n, like the length of intervals. In that case, we exit the while loop and then we return the result. One thing that you have to notice is that, like, say we are at 2,6, right? So in that case, it will be index is equal to 1. And then we look at our starting point, which is 2. And 2 is less than 3, right? The previous guy's ending point. Now, if that's the case, then what do we have to do? Well, we can merge them together. So that becomes 1,6. So how do we get 6? Well, we can just take the maximum of this 3 and 6. So that's what's going on here in the else if statement here. Basically, we will be appending so initially our result array is empty, so that means we have to append like the first element 1,3 into our result. So that's what's going on here. And then we increment our index by 1. So now our index is 1, and then we will be looking at this intervals of 1, which is 2,6. And then we see that 2 is less than 3. That's else if statement. In that case, that means we can merge them together. So we have to change the whatever numbers we have for the result array. The last element in our result array, we have to change the ending point. And then we just simply take the maximum of whatever the existing ending point for the last element in our result, and then the ending point of the intervals of index. So in that case, using this example, for index equals 1, this result -1, 1 will be maximum of this guy is what? That will be 3, and then this one will be 6. So that will give us 6. Now, if this is not the case, then we would have to, append like this. Like, say if we are at intervals index equals 2, there will be 8,10. And now 8,10, like 8 is definitely bigger than 6. So else if is, we do not run else if statement. So it will be else. And then we just append 8 and 10 to the result array. So that's what's going on here. And then every time we do this, either we change the last endpoint of the result array or not. We keep incrementing our index number, and then once that index number is equal to n, then we just exit the while loop, and then we return the result. Right? So this problem isn't that bad. So let's look at the code and see how my code runs. So that's for this problem. I will try some of these problems. I remember some of these problems were very interesting, so I can do that. In the next video, I will pick some problem from the greedy approach. That's for this video. If my video helps you guys understanding this problem, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because it really helps growing my channel, and so I just don't feel alone. If you guys like this video, and if I see subscribers count going up, then I'll feel definitely happy about it. I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye bye.